Hello, everyone!
Hello, everyone!
Welcome to the Unseen Universe! Today, we have something so special, it's been waiting for us for hundreds of millions of years. Do you know what it is? It's a fossil!
It's a fossil!
That's right! Today, we have an Ammonite fossil. Check that out right here. You see that? Little iridescent Ammonite. This guy lived hundreds of millions of years ago during a time called the Devonian period. Yeah, isn't he awesome? That's like a little dinosaur fossil. Do you see how shiny he is?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's called an Ammonite. Can we say Ammonite?
Ammonite.
Wow, good job, guys. Yeah, look at that. And then look at the underside of it.
Whoa.
You see how it's shiny? That was his shell.
What?
And then he went to sleep for hundreds of millions of years. And now we're taking a look at him. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, it's awesome. So let's take a look at him to see what this little fellow looks like under the microscope. Here we go. We're going to start at 5x and then we're going to go deeper and deeper and explore what we see.
Yeah. Great. Whoa.
Whoa.
I see pink.
You see
And red.
and red.
And blue. And I see blue and green.
Yeah, he has an iridescent shell. Iridescent means that it shines like a rainbow, multiple colors.
Yeah.
Isn't that an interesting word? Wow, look at his shell.
Put microphone.
You may put your glove on. You like gloves, don't you? I have my glove here as well. So that's an ammonite. Yeah, and I think they lived all the way to the Mesozoic period, and then they went extinct. We don't have these anymore.
What?
Yeah, they're gone.
What?
Yeah,
Why?
the ones we see in the ocean are like seashells and different mollusks, but the ammonites are...
And that's the dinosaur.
The dinosaur bone! We'll get a dinosaur bone next time. How about that one? So let's keep going. This is the 5x. Should we go deeper?
Yeah, we should go to 10x.
We should go to 10x. Hey, you already know.
We go to
We're getting closer. Look at that.
And look, I see the green and blue.
Yeah, look at his beautiful shell.
And purple.
And purple,
And
yeah.
a little bit of pink.
A little bit of pink. And then what about those lines there? What do you think those are?
I don't know what those are.
Those are part of his shell. And he used to live inside his shell.
What?
Yeah, but he's been long gone.
Like that.
Hey, that's right. He swims in the water like that.
Like that. They don't have, they kind of move a little slowly.
Yeah, they do swim very slowly in the water. So there's the 10x. Hey guys, should we go deeper and closer?
We can go to 20x.
You already know. Next one is 20. Here's 20.
20x.
Whoa, look at that one.
There's blue and green.
Yeah, blue and green. And now we see that crack on his shell. Did you want to focus on it? Yeah, this is the focus now. There's the fine focus and the coarse focus. This one is the fine. Do you want to touch that one?
Yeah.
You can turn it.
Ooh.
Well, oh, it's a little bit blurry. Hey, we're back. Thank you. Oh, all right, you may turn it a little bit. It's a little bit crowded here, guys.
I'll never do that.
Oh, hold on a second, guys. You can turn the next one, okay? So there he is. Look at all those little
Whoa.
special cracks on his shell.
Whoa.
Those lines, beautiful colors.
Yeah,
He was shiny when he was around. He's still shiny today, guys. We need one more objective to explore.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's so boring.
The dinosaur bone. We need to go to 50 times the 60x objective. Should we go deeper?
That
Yeah, we have one more. Do you want to spin it for me?
Yeah.
Okay, spin it the other way. Oops, wait. Oh, there it is. There it is.
There's 50x.
50x.
I see green and pink.
Yeah, and now we're so zoomed into his shell that we can see fine little grooves and indentations in it.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
beautiful. What a beautiful creature he must have been. He's beautiful still now.
Yeah.
Wow, what did you guys think of the Ammonite fossil?
We like it.
You do? He was around when the dinosaurs roamed the earth.
He was around here when the dinosaurs were here.
That's right. He was friends with the dinosaurs, the Ammonite.
What?
Yeah, he saw the dinosaurs. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
He saw Rex and Donkey and Para and all the other dinosaurs that we like so much.
Yeah.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed that as we took an adventure to see the Ammonite fossil here at the
Oh,
Very